Trading has an emotional element to it. And what you see on the charts is what will reflect on you emotionally. Now, some people do not like trading green and red candles because green means up and money and wealth, and red means devastation and despair and it's crashing. So, what some traders like to do is they like to make the candles neutral. And by doing that, they change the candle colors from green and red to white and black. If you want to try this and take away the emotional element because you don't like seeing the green and red element to it, then all you do is you go to a chart, you right click, you click settings, and over here it says body. So the body for up, you can make white, and for down, you can make black. And I like to make the border black and the wick black because it enhances the candles. And then click apply. Now, this might be that extra element to take away the emotions from trading just by changing your candles from red and green to white and black.